Yeah.
Hey guys, I just wanted to go ahead and start recording more. Today we are making an LED light cloud. I thought I had more lanterns, but I made a bigger one and gave it as a Christmas present. And I used like 5 lanterns, but I only have 3 left, so it's gonna be a little smaller cloud. But I think it'll still come out good. And I'm doing this on my bed. I probably wouldn't recommend doing this project on your bed, but I have my craft blanket that I made years ago. So I'm just gonna set it up. I have a mini hot glue gun. I think I just got it from Michael's. I got some mini glue sticks from the Dollar Tree. They come with 20 glue sticks. And you can't go wrong with Dollar Tree. So I'm hoping this is enough glue sticks because I used 4 packs of glue sticks on the other cloud. But I have the paper lanterns here and I got them off of Amazon. I think it was a pack of 8 8-inch lanterns, and then I got some LED lights, and then for the fluff I have polyfill, and I think I just got this at Walmart, and I think it was just cheaper just to get the huge bag. So we had made these smaller clouds, and we had actually used empty juice bottles as the body, and they had these, they're decorative lights. They have little raindrops on them. We shoved the decorative lights inside the bottle, and they were battery powered, which is honestly better and a better idea for the cloud light, so you don't have to worry about cord hanging from your cloud. And my dad was asking had I seen any battery powered LED lights, and I hadn't even thought about that, but I think it might be pretty easy to do a little converter, because you would just need to swap out this part with a battery part, or maybe this part with a battery part. I don't know how that would work, but I'm gonna wrap the LED lights around it, and then I'll probably record applying the fluff either later tonight or tomorrow. So I'm gonna start off. I need to put this last piece somewhere towards the bottom. I kind of winged it with the last one with the light placement, and I was trying to more of a plan this one. Still don't. So know if there's a true method on how you're supposed to apply your fluff. What I try to do is cover the main areas, especially where the LED strip is, and then after it's covered as a whole, then I'll go back through and add more layers in the areas that I wanted. And I'd say this is what takes the longest amount of time.